Starting a raw vegan diet can be an exciting journey filled with fresh flavors and health benefits. I'm not a long-term raw vegan, but I have been incorporating lots of raw foods into my diet for months at a time over the years. So I believe I can speak on this topic because I am actively experimenting and experiencing what you might be going through right now. So if you're brand new to this lifestyle, here are some 7 tips to help you get started. Number 1 is do your research. And I believe this tip applies to most of the new things that we need to do. It can be anything. And in this case, take time to learn about raw veganism. Understand the basics, including what foods are allowed and the nutritional aspects. There are many books, documentaries, and all kinds of online resources that can be great starting points. I left some links in the description down below so you can check them out too. Start slow. You don't have to go all in at once. I did not do that at all. It was a very gradual process and it took a lot of time. So just begin by getting more and more raw fresh foods. Try having a raw breakfast or replacing one meal a day with raw fruits or vegetables. This gradual approach can help your body adjust without feeling overwhelmed and stressed out. Number 3, plan your meals. I think this point is really a big one. Meal planning is really essential to ensure that you are getting a balanced diet. So focus on a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, and some sprouted lentils, microgreens, all kinds of leafy greens, and seaweeds. So consider making a weekly plan that includes breakfasts, like some smoothies, salads, snacks, and just try to keep it interesting. Number 4, keep it simple. The best part about a raw vegan diet is that you don't need fancy recipes to enjoy your raw foods. So start with simple meals like fruits, salads, veggie sticks with delicious dips, or smoothies or smoothie bowls. As you get more comfortable, you can experiment with more complex dishes. Number 5, stay hydrated. Raw foods can be hydrating, and you certainly are going to be really hydrated if you're eating a lot of fresh cucumbers, watermelons, any fruits or vegetables. They all have a high water content, so that's good. But it's still crucial to drink plenty of water. Herbal teas and coconut water, they are also great options too. So staying hydrated really helps digestion and keeps your energy levels up. Number 6, listen to your body. Everyone's journey is so different, so pay attention to how your body reacts to the raw vegan diet. And if you feel great, keep going. But if something doesn't sit well, don't hesitate to adjust your choices. Number 7, connect with others. Join online communities or local groups of raw vegans for support and inspiration. Sharing experiences and recipes can keep you motivated, and many people, they find success by connecting with others on a similar path. So here are some inspiring examples of long-term raw vegans. Number 1, Rick Lambert, who is 93 years old right now, and he has been raw vegan for 47 years. So he's absolutely thriving in his 90s to the point that he still flies airplanes and he attends regular meetings and his schedule is really fully packed. Number 2, Dr. Fred Bishi, who is 94 years old and has been a raw vegan for about 60 years, and he is thriving. So he's an accomplished athlete and he gained true life experience of how to be the best one can be, both physically and spiritually, through lifestyle and nutrition. He is one of the earliest promoters of the body, mind and spirit connection. Number 3 is Anne Wigmore. She was a pioneer in the raw food movement. She founded Hippocrates Health Institute in 1960s. She lived a raw food lifestyle for decades and believed in the healing power of raw plant-based foods. Her work continues to inspire many in the health community today. Next is David Wolfe. He is known for his advocacy for raw food and superfoods. He's been a prominent figure in the raw food movement since 1990s. He emphasizes the benefits of a raw vegan diet for longevity and vitality. And the last but not the least is Gabriel Cousens, a physician and a raw food advocate. He's been promoting the raw vegan lifestyle for 40 years. He has written many books on the topic and founded the Tree of Life Rejuvenation Center, where he teaches others about raw vegan nutrition and spiritual health. There are so many other long-term raw vegans that you can find online these days and they do amazing things in this world. This really inspires me to continue and eat this way because they are the examples of really living life. Doesn't matter if you are 90 or if you are 60 or if you are 40, they thrive. They have a full life, they have a full schedule, and it's just amazing. So this is really inspirational and it makes me want to keep going. So in conclusion, I just wanted to say that raw vegan diet can be really rewarding experience, but remember to take it at your own pace and listen to your own body and have fun with it. Whether you're looking to improve your health, boost your energy, or simply try something new, the raw food lifestyle offers endless possibilities. So since today is day 7, this means that it concludes my daily upload for a week, and I will be aiming to upload in about 2 videos per week for now. So let me know your thoughts and any topics that you are interested in talking about. And of course, let's continue and keep each other accountable. So just take a picture of one of your today's meals and post it on Instagram, and don't forget to tag me. So this way we can inspire more people to enjoy raw food and be healthy. And if you haven't watched my previous episodes, I've linked my playlist right here so you can catch up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!